there, I'm Marisa and welcome to Marisa Home. Today we are going to make pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Gosh, we've been making these since like 2007 and I'm not allowed to go through fall without making them at least 2 or 3 times. They are light, airy, a little gooey, really soft, amazing cookie. So I really think that you guys should give this a try. So let's go ahead and go through the recipe together. Let's make these pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. First thing you're gonna wanna do is put aside a couple of baking sheets along with parchment or a slip mat, something like that, so you're ready to go once these cookies are ready to go. And then you're going to want to take a cup of softened salted butter, so that's 2 sticks, and we're going to whisk or beat them until it's smooth. So here we go. All right, next up we're going to add the brown sugar and the sugar a little at a time. So we have the brown sugar, dark brown sugar, and a cup of baker's sugar. There's a cup for each of them. A little bit at a time. And beat again until light and fluffy. And some of the baker's sugar, and beat that in too. More brown sugar. And then the rest of the baker's sugar. We're going to take 2 eggs, but 1 at a time if we can. I prepped it beforehand, so let's go ahead and put in 1 egg and mix. And then the second egg, and we'll beat again. All right, now that that's all mixed in, we're going to take a teaspoon of vanilla. Now you can use regular vanilla extract, or you can use this bean paste. Either one works. You'd use the same quantity for both. So we're going to put that in. We're going to add a cup of canned pumpkin puree, and we're going to add half a cup of pumpkin pie mix, and we'll mix this up. Now we're ready to put together the dry ingredients. So I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour here, and we are going to add the baking soda. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons. Two teaspoons of baking soda, and then we're going to add the salt. So we have a half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. So that all goes in. Now we have our wet mixture along with our dry mixture. So we'll go ahead and just fold this in little by little. And a little bit more mix. So we're on our last mixture of folding in the dry and the wet ingredients. And then we'll move on to chocolate chips. And the last little bit that we're going to add in is 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Go ahead and fold that in. That's looking pretty good. We are ready to make cookies. Now we're ready to scoop out our cookie dough. I just used 2 spoons, 2 fairly large spoons, and grab about, you know, a big old spoonful of the cookie dough. They will spread out a bit, but really this recipe is a fluffy cookie, so they don't melt too much. But I always like to have more space on my cooking sheet than not enough, just in case they run in together. So let's scoop out the rest of these puppies and get these baked. Alright, now that we're putting on the last cookie, we will pop these in for about 15 to 20 minutes at an oven at 350 Fahrenheit, and yeah, we should be good to go. Cookies are done, pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. They look perfect. Notice that they didn't really flatten out or change shape. These are pretty soft, fluffy cookies. So this is just the beginning. We have up to like 24 cookies to make. So go ahead and get started on the rest. I'm gonna take a bite here. Yep, fluffy, soft, moist. Just the perfect cookie. So go finish those up. Enjoy.